How to set up TP-Link EAP110-Outdoor V3. Alright, so your first step would be to unbox and check the components. In the box, you'll find the access point, a PoE, injector, mounting kits, and cables. So now all you need to do is just simply connect via the PoE, that's power over Ethernet. Connect the Ethernet cable from your router to the PoE injector, then connect the injector to the access point. Once you've done that, you can now proceed to mount the access point itself. Mount the device on a wall or pole in an open outdoor area for the best signal. Make sure it is a high positioned area with open space away from obstacles. Now, once you're done there, simply connect your device, that is, connect your phone or PC to the access point using Ethernet or its default Wi-Fi, and make a connection. Once you're done, you can now access the setup page, open a browser and enter the default IP address to access the setup page. After that, you can now configure your Wi-Fi settings by setting up a Wi-Fi name, password, and then saving your custom settings. After that, just simply reconnect and test. So reconnect your new device to the Wi-Fi and test your internet connection. All right.